This is a quick review for this hot pink Jeep single rider ride-on toy for kids. 12-volt version. It's got enough room for one rider. There's a seatbelt here that comes up through the legs, and then there's two straps that go over the seat for adjusting. You know, they're adjustable so that you can click them into the base here, just like a car seat in a car. They click into place and then they go over the shoulders like this. There's some nice details about this Jeep. It's got mirrors. They move and they tuck in. The dashboard's pretty simple, just like a Jeep. It's got a power on. Let you know it's ready to go. And then there's a switch here for the headlights as well. They turn on and off. I'll show those in a second. And then on the other side is a radio, which you can switch to.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You can switch to Bluetooth and hook it up to a device, a phone, whatever, and play whatever music you want to have go through it. There's a track forward and back. They can switch things around, basically control your phone or whatever device is connected through this here as well. It's got a forward and reverse switch up front. On each door on each side, there is a latch that you have to open up to release it. So they do kind of stay secure here just by locking this latch down. It stays in place. There's one on each side. There are some lights up here that don't work. They don't illuminate at all, but they look like lights. On the steering wheel, there is a button to control the radio, like move the tracks through. And then there's a horn button as well. Again, the light switch, there's a pedal down at the bottom. It's pretty lightweight. I'll flick on those lights and take a look at those. There's a quick look at those headlights. They're pretty cool. They're LED, bright white light. There is a little bar on the front bumper that makes it easy to kind of carry around. Underneath here, you'll see that the front wheels have all the springs. The hood does not open up at all. All the electronics, including the battery, are underneath the seat. You just plug in a standard charger that comes with it. There's a light on this that turns red when you plug it in, and it turns green when it's all fully charged. That just plugs into that port down there by the low speed, high speed switch. And then you just plug it in the wall and it charges the battery underneath the seat. It does come with remote control, so you have the ability to change the speed that the Jeep is running. You can turn off the power. I think that the P is for power, turns it off. You can go forward, reverse. From a parenting perspective, you kind of can remain in control. These are great looking. This is the hot pink. There is a lighter pink. There's a purple. There's a bunch of different colors, a black, white, red, blue, any color you might want to pick out. They're available. These are best choice products. This is the 12-volt Jeep ride-on.